Want to see your top channels, viewer personality, and everything you watched on YouTube this year? I'm going to show you 3 different ways to access your 2025 YouTube recap, even if it's not showing up for you. Open the YouTube app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. So, look for a panel at the top announcing your recap is ready. Simply tap on that panel, and your personalized recap will start playing immediately. If you're not seeing the notification, or if you want to view your recap again, here's a quick workaround. Open your mobile browser. Once the browser is open, navigate to m.youtube.com/recap. Make sure you're logged into your YouTube account. This will trigger the recap notification and automatically launch it in the app. Now, if you're watching this on your computer right now, good news, you can check your recap without grabbing your phone. Just head over to youtube.com/recap in your browser. Simply click on this card and your recap will start playing right away. Keep in mind, the recap will display in vertical format. It's optimized for mobile viewing, but all your stats will be there. Now it's your turn. Go find your YouTube recap and discover what your viewing habits reveal about you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more YouTube tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.